Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to create an account on Teespring. So the first step is to simply go to teespring.com, and after that what you're going to have to do is simply click on start creating, and then the next step is to simply create your account. So you're going to have to enter your name or brand name. So I'm going to type in something random, and then here you're going to have to enter your email address, and then simply create your password. And after that simply check this box and click on sign up. And basically after that what you're gonna have to do is simply, as you can see, enter your desired store URL. So here you can type in something like your brand name and then click on continue. And after that what you're gonna have to do is simply wait, and basically we have our Teespring account. Now we can create designs and we can sell them. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.